Hello, welcome to Copyright Tips Monday. It's Kingsley here, and in this video we are going to be talking about the 5 powerful ways you can make money for yourself as a copywriter. And I bet you it's not limited to these 5 ways. There are lots of ways you can make money for yourself as a copywriter, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making sure to show you the 5 powerful ways that have been able to make me money and make you money as well as a copywriter. So all you need to do is to stay to the end of this video and then pick one out of the 5 and go all out, and you see yourself succeeding as a copywriter. And if you're an aspiring copywriter, make sure to stay to the end. I also have a gift for you at the end of this video, so make sure you stay to receive it. Moving on, we're going to be discussing 5 ways you can make money for yourself as a copywriter, and it should interest you to know that these are actually types of copywriting where you can actually fix yourself and make sure you continue in it, and at the end you're getting results for yourself. The very first one, and how you can start right now to make money for yourself as someone who has learned copywriting, is by becoming a brand copywriter. Now, one of the things brand copywriters focuses on is to actually promote and create awareness for a brand. Now, it is not necessarily to get results immediately, it's actually to build trust between those who want to be part of this brand, like the customers who want to see this brand. You need to build trust with them so you can actually become a copywriter who goes around helping brands to get awareness. So this is one of the ways you can make money as a copywriter, and you can get started by going to LinkedIn and looking for jobs over there. And you can also go to fiverr.com or Upwork. These are the places you can actually go and you get people who are looking forward to build their brand. You can apply and get a job of a copywriter where you just promote the brand, because once you're doing brand copywriting, all you're doing is to create a positive vibe for the business and those who will be customers to this business. So that is number 1 way to actually make money for yourself if you are a copywriter here and you're listening to me. The second way to actually make money for yourself is B2B copywriting. B2B? Yeah, B2B. Yes, B2B copywriting. What that means is business to business copywriter. Now, you are a copywriter who connects business and another business. How that is possible is, for instance, let's take for instance, if you have a company who produces bread and they have a lot of staff, you can actually go to people who produce water and become their copywriter, selling water to those who are actually making bread. And it's not just this analogy, there are other ways you can do it. There are many businesses that needs the help of another business to actually keep going. So all you need to do is to carry out your research and be a B2B business copywriter. Moving on to the third way you can make money for yourself as a copywriter is by becoming a direct response copywriter. The work of a direct sales copywriter is very simple. All you need to do is to make your customers take action. Now, if you're a direct sales copywriter, your job is to make people to take action, for them to buy the product. You motivate them, you show them the benefits of this product, and at the end of the day, they are giving you money, and that's because you are a direct response sales copy. Your work is not to build brands, your work is not to talk to business, your work is to actually make people buy a product. This form of copywriting is very good for those who are course creators, affiliate marketers. For me, I'm a sales copywriter, and that means I'm a direct response copywriter. It is very lucrative as well. That is one of the ways you can make money for yourself as a copywriter. I hope you are learning something from this video. Why not give it a thumbs up, and don't also forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we'll bring you tips on business ideas, how you can make money with just your smartphone and with the skills of copywriting and affiliate marketing and lots more. If this is what you really want to learn more about, hit the subscribe button now as we go on to number 4. As a copywriter, you can also work as a content creator. Now, one of the ways you can make money as a copywriter is content marketing. You see, content marketing and copywriting, they are a kind of the same, but the difference is that as a content creator, your work is to entertain, educate, and inform. Now, by the time you are doing content marketing, you are not necessarily calling to action. Now, you're not calling people to take a particular action. These are just the thing that differentiates copywriting and content creating. So if you are a copywriter, you are likely to become a content creator because they are all work hand in hand, but the difference is that you don't call to action like buy this now, get this now, subscribe now, and the rest. So this is just the difference that copywriting and content writing have. You can get this job on Upwork, you can get them on LinkedIn, you can get them on Fiverr.com. Moving on to number 5 is social media copywriting. This is a very lucrative part. If you're a copywriter, you can actually be here and making money for yourself. Now, as a social media copywriter, it is a kind of copy where you write to actually make people be in a particular place, like make them to sign up a form or make them to take a particular action for a particular reason, or make them to navigate from this site to another. These are social media copywriters. And one of the beautiful things about copywriting is that you can actually be all we have said and you are still efficient. You can be a brand copywriter, you can be B2B copywriter, you can be a content marketer, and yet you're doing well. But it is always better you focus on one and get the result for yourself. I hope the information you digested in this video is going to be helpful to you. So give this video a like and also share it. Have you ever made money with copywriting before? If yes, tell us in the comment box. If no, tell us in the comment box. We would want to be of help to you. And if you are looking forward to actually learn more, remember I'm linking a video to you that will teach you everything you need to know about copywriting. So make sure you watch that video. Let's go and get it. And just like I say to my students, I'm saying to you, chase knowledge first.